Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. We've had loads of requests lately for these videos. Someone's asked us about the caves. You have seen one in a previous video, right back at the beginning. So I promised to do some more, so here they are. And some light green at the top and the bottom, a bit of light green, and some darker green, but just at the bottom of the iron and the top of the iron. So, oh sorry, I didn't mean to drop that block. So we've got 3 blobs of colour on the iron. Okay, I'm going to cover the card and see what I get, and then we're going to go from there. These are nice and quick things to do. Make a great greetings card, and oh wow, that's actually worked to our favour. My cable was just catching on my table edge and it's like ridged how I've moved the iron. I'm not worried about that because of what we're doing. It's absolutely fine. So I've got my nice light bit down the middle and darker side edges. Right, let's make this look like a cavey type place. And we're going to start adding some other colours now, just on the tip of the iron. I've got a bit of black, number 15, just on the top edge of the triangle, just a little bit, okay? And we're going to bounce up and down, round down the side. A bit like when we create borders. It doesn't matter if some are out and some are in, and we're gonna go along here just the same. So I'm just going to use the black all the way around to start with. I might probably a bit more colour as well in a minute. Where this black's quite strong down here, you're probably all thinking, oh, that's gone really dark. It's fine, so I'm just going to smooth it across like so. Bounce the iron around. So if you look, I'm just literally just bouncing the iron up and down. Then use the point of the iron, that pathway, coming out of the setting, like so. Okay. Lines. I'm just going to put a quick tree coming up this side, cutting across and into the cave. Just a few branches, it doesn't need to be too much at all. And then one on the other side. There's loads and loads of videos on my channel showing you me doing trees, so I'm going to put some clear wax in the middle of the iron. Trees. Just pop the tree on there. A few little bits of lines and things just to make that tree look like it grew there. A few bits here. And there we go, we've got a bit of a cave type set. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.